Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing something a little bit different in that I am doing an apartment tour of the apartment that I currently am living in. I just moved into a new place and I decorated it pretty cute, if I do say so myself. So I really wanted to just open up a little bit and share my space with you and show you what I've been doing for the past couple months as I've been moving and settling into a new place. So this is my living room. I have a futon and that's my work bag sitting there. I have a couple of pillows. I was totally not in the frame just then. I'm sorry. I'm filming this by myself and so I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I have a coffee table that my previous roommate donated to me, so this was not mine. I have a reed diffuser, and I actually wanted to talk about this reed diffuser because I've had it for 2 years now and it is still going super strong. This is a Velispa reed diffuser and I cannot emphasize to you how good it smells. I don't remember the scent that I got it in, but it's such a lovely scent and it has lasted 2 years and it's still going strong, so definitely a great investment. They're not cheap, but I really would recommend them. The last thing that I wanted to show you all in this space is the Gustav Klimt prints that I have hung up. There are 9 of them and they're actually from a calendar. If you pay attention to my videos, you'll know that I have calendars hanging in the backgrounds of my old videos, and so one of the calendars that I have was a Gustav Klimt calendar, and so I just cut out the prints from that calendar and I hung them up here. I think it fills the wall really nicely. Whenever people come over, they always point out which ones are their favorites. We can talk about art, which I love doing. So yeah, that's this space right here. I'm going to turn you around. We're going to look at something else. So this next space is one of my favorite spaces in my entire apartment, and that is my little reading nook area. I'm really proud of it. I have a mattress topper here that's super soft and squishy from my dorm room that I held onto. I knew I held onto it for a reason, but it's here now and I use it as like a cushion to sit on. And what's really cool about this video is that I'm actually partnering with Roomify, which is a great kind of online store that you can use to buy things for your apartment or your dorm room that's specially made for dorm rooms. So they have those like twin XL sheets that you're looking for. So the first thing that they sent me was this amazing blanket. It is so incredibly soft. The color is beautiful. It's like this like ombre pink, and I really can't emphasize how soft it is. It's amazing. They also sent me this knit body pillow, which I kind of propped in the corner to use as like a back support while I'm reading. This pillow is adorable. I love the like knit quality of it. I think it's super cute. Then lastly, if we pivot up, hello, I'm down here now. They also sent me these really cute copper rose gold kind of Moroccan string lights, which I think are so pretty. I love string lights and I have them all over my apartment, as you'll see. So these add just like a really nice whimsical touch to the corner of this room, and I just really like them. I think they're really beautiful. So here's the blanket I'm raving about. You can see the details here, how it's knit and it's just so soft, guys. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. It's dark pink up here and then it gets lighter pink as you go down the blanket, and then it gets darker in this corner as well. And then I just have another blanket hanging out here because you can never have too many blankets. The next space that I wanted to show you is my dining room area. It's really small, but I am in love with this table. I have loved this table for such a long time. It was actually a desk that I used in my previous apartment, but now it's a dining table and it is so pretty. I love the glass. I also have more string lights here with also little clothespins and some cards that people have given me like over the years and some pictures. This makes me super happy because I do spend a lot of time sitting at this table working on work, working on stuff for YouTube, eating dinner. So it's really important to me to make this space conducive to happiness, and so I put up sentimental things so that I can be surrounded by the people I love all the time. I also wanted to talk about this cookbook that I have sitting right here. This is called the Complete Cooking for Two cookbook, and I have used this cookbook so much. So what's great about this cookbook is that it actually portion controls what you're cooking so that you don't end up with a ton of food, because I am just one person living here, and if I were to cook something that a normal recipe would make, I would end up with a ton of food. So this cookbook has really come in clutch because it makes the perfect amount of food for me and then one other person if I'm cooking for someone, or also like for the next couple of days I can have food left over. Great cookbook. It's by America's Test Kitchen, so you know it's good. My kitchen is that way, but I'm not going to show you because there's not a lot to see. It's a pretty small kitchen and it's a huge mess because I just made a ton of risotto. Dairy-free risotto, by the way. Let me know if you want a recipe. So next up we have my bedroom, which is a very girly space. I'm not gonna lie, it is absolutely not for everybody, but I'm a huge girly girl, and so I chose to have this awesome pink comforter from Roomify. It is so surprisingly warm. I'm really weird about my comforters, and I like being really warm at night, and so I was worried that this comforter wasn't going to be warm because it's actually quite thin and lightweight, but it's actually super warm. It's really high quality. I love how it looks. It's just super cute and super girly, and I just absolutely love it. And so again, thank you so much to Roomify for partnering with me for this video. I think it's a lot of fun to be able to bring in new decor to kind of like revamp my space, because it's one thing to move apartments, but it's another thing to actually redecorate your new apartment in new decor. So I think this was a great opportunity, and I'm really, really grateful. All right, we're going vlog style now. So like I said, my comforter is super cute from Roomify. I have a queen bed, and they do have a size that's large enough, so I did get a queen. I have some gray pillows back there. I have fairy lights strung up to frame this wall. There's my tripod. On my nightstand, I have my journal, a book I'm reading, Amazon Alexa that I got from the company I'm working at. Oh no, she thinks I'm talking to her.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Okay. I have a candle that is super special to me. My best friend Sophie bought it for me from Canada. I have books down here, and then I have a birthday present that my best friend got me. In this corner, I have a calendar. It's like impressionist bouquets that I bought. I think it's really, really pretty and special. And then we have my beauty corner, which is an absolute disaster. So like, I apologize in advance, but I have an art print back there. I have a whiteboard over here. All my brushes, lipsticks, masks. What is this? This is a NARS palette, Makeup Forever bronzer, Natasha Denona palette, bunch of perfumes, palettes back there. I keep all of my skincare in this drawer down here. Keep makeup in here, large skincare items in there, roller balls, etc., etc. I have a bunch of random things in these two pink containers, and then I have more random stuff down there and containers. I also have a mirror here, and I got these really cute elephants in Thailand. I think they are so cute. I love them so much, and it's pink to match my room. So that's basically my entire apartment. I didn't show you my kitchen or my bathroom because honestly, there's not a whole lot to see, but it basically fits with the rest of the theme that I have going on in my apartment with like the string lights and the pink. So yeah. I also wanted to share some things about Roomify that I really liked about working with them. Their entire store is color coordinated and matches with like a certain theme, so it's really easy to shop and get matching coordinated pieces. I find that shopping in general is very, very stressful for me, and so I try to avoid it, but shopping at Roomify online was actually quite a joy because it was really easy to pick up pieces that I knew would look good together. Now, I have already graduated from college, thank you so much, with my degree in chemical engineering. But my sister is entering college, and so I'm definitely going to introduce Roomify into her life because they have really high quality products. They all match really well with each other. It's a one-stop shop for everything that you need to decorate, which I think is so nice. You don't have to go running to a bunch of different places to try and find what you're looking for. You can shop for everything that you need right there at Roomify. They have comforters, blankets, pillows, wall hangings, tapestries. They have string lights. They have everything you need to decorate. And they have these things called college bundles where you get up to 60 items in a box, and you save a lot of money apparently. I personally have not tried that, but that sounds great, and I'm getting FOMO that I didn't use Roomify when I was actually in college living in a dorm. But yeah, this is my apartment, this is my space. I chose to decorate it in a way that makes me really happy. For me, pink is my favorite color, and so I really wanted to bring pink into my space and just make it a very happy, positive, loving space, and I think I accomplished that. So yeah, that's it for me. Thank you all so much for watching and spending this time with me. I appreciate you spending this time with me so much. I know I haven't been on YouTube that often, but I'm kind of taking a little bit of a break. I'm taking a social media hiatus, if you will. But yeah, that's it for me. Thank you all so much for watching and spending this time with me. I hope you enjoyed my apartment tour. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you're going to use Roomify to decorate your newest place, whether it be a dorm room or an apartment. Let me know. But until my next video, I hope you have a beautiful week, and I'll see you then. Bye.